Hello and welcome once again to the sewing workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a band to a trouser. But this band I'm talking about is not going to be a belt band. It's going to be a rope band. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscriber button. I don't mean you should hit the subscriber button. You should click the subscriber button so that you're not going to miss anything on this channel, and we're starting right now. So welcome back. And this is the best strap that I folded. Can you see? This is the band that I folded. I already added the fusing to it. Can you see that? So the first thing you're going to do is to get a band like this. Can you see this? This is just the normal ready-made band. You can get it from anywhere, any fashion house or fashion shop that they sell sewing materials. So now all you're going to do is just to put this here like this. Make sure it go beyond this. Can you see that? At the tip of the fabrics, on this, I'm going to stitch it straight. And mind you, I already fixed the trouser. Can you see? I already fixed this. I already cut the trouser. If you haven't watched the video of the trouser cutting, you should. I'll put a link under the description below. You can check it and you know how to cut the trouser, how to fix the pocket, and how to fix the zipper. So now I'm going to sew this straight. Can you see that? Make sure your hand is straight. I'm going to sew this straight. Can you see that? So now we have this. We have this straight band with this shape. You see that? So now we are going to fix it to the trouser. So now you just have to take your trouser. Can you see this? Just like this. Then I'm going to open this up like this and place this here. Make sure it go a little bit beyond it. Can you see that? Place it here. Now I'm going to stitch it straight. So this part, I will open it up, back of the trouser. Can you see that? We're getting somewhere. Can you see that? Do you see? So now I'm going to make a hole here, a belt hole, a rope hole, and I make a hole here also. Then we do the finishing. So let's start again. So I already make a hole for this place. Can you see? Which will be the rope passage, and also here to be the rope passage. So now all we have to do is simple. We're going to bend this to this gaiters right here. Just bend it a little bit. Make sure it doesn't go beyond this. We're going to stitch it straight. Can you see that? So now if we turn it to the front, we're going to have this. Let me just pinpoint this out. So we are going to do the same thing to the other parts, which is this place. All you have to do is just to fold it backward like this. Turn it up. This is the other side. I'm going to stitch it here. Stitch it to the front. So all we have to do is just to trim this also a little bit, or fold it in. Fold it in like this. Can you see that? Try to pinpoint this out. So far we are having this. So now to do the finishing is simple. Just place your trouser inside like this. Can you see? I want you to take a closer look at this. Can you see that? Then you stitch at the edge of this place. Make sure your hand is straight. So you start from here. Try to open it up a little bit. Can you see that? Open it. Start the stitch. Make sure your hand is straight with your sewing. Can you see that? Stitch it. So now we have this so far. Can you see the inside? Can you see the inside and see the outside? Can you see that? So we have our trouser here. So all you have to do is just to make the rope. Can you see that? So we are just going to put the rope from here outside to this place. So so now I already fixed the rope, and I make a knot here in order to hold it down. So if you haven't watched the video of how I cut this trouser, I'll put a link under the description below, so you can view it. So that is the complete process. And if you'd like to know how I cut this trouser from A to Z, I'll put a link under the description below. You can view it, how I make the pocket. I also make a video about it, how I fit the zipper to the trouser. I also make a video about it. You can check the link description and see it and view it. And if you have any question to ask me, you can just go under the comment section and tell me what you want.